What's up, my peeps? Hey, this is your boy SEMO-MAC, and I'm back at it again. I got you another review. Oh yeah, and I think y'all are gonna like this one. This was more on the survival side of the outdoors. You know, it's never good if you get caught out and you get stranded, you know, out in the woods. Maybe you get lost, you get hurt, something like that. You know, one of the biggest things that you definitely need to survive is fire. You know, if you have fire, you can stay warm. You'll be able to boil water, you know, all that stuff like that. And fire, majority of the times, keeps dangerous animals away as well. So what I got for you is a survival fire starter. And this product right here is actually sent to me by a company called Smalldu. All right, so they sent this out to me for me to try it out. And what you get is this little pamphlet that comes inside. It kind of gives you a little breakdown of all of your instructions right there, right off the bat. I'm gonna set this aside. And what it comes with is this nice little bag here that you can actually, you know, store everything in. You get a, whoa, throw it around here. This nice beechwood handle that's got your striker. And as you can see, yes, I have been striking this. It also comes with a striker as well. This is waterproof, which is really nice because, you know, last thing you need is trying to start a fire when it's wet. You know, if it gets wet, if this somehow falls out of your possession, gets wet, you know, that wouldn't do you no good. But this is waterproof. The starter and everything's supposed to be waterproof, windproof, should be able to start a fire in any type of condition is what they're claiming on here. What I really like is, I do like this handle, this beechwood handle. It's really, it's got a real good grip on it, really comfortable. Another thing that's really good is your ferrule rod here, because this joker is actually pretty long. I'll see if I can find the measurements on this, but this thing is actually, oh, matter of fact, yeah, there we go. So this is longer than your normal. So this is going to be able to give you that nice striking as you're coming down, you know, to strike. And see, it does work. So whereas some of your other ones that you have are kind of shorter, so you can't get that good stroke through there to create that spark. So, and one thing I will tell you, to actually get this thing to work, this actually comes, as you see right there, it's kind of got that black paint or whatever on there. You've got to get that scraped off and get down to the bare metal for that to go. I mean, I understand why they do it. It's kind of for looks and for kind of preservation until you actually start using it. But yeah, I mean, this joker right here, y'all, like I said, y'all saw it. I mean, it throws. Another thing you get with this, and yes, I have been using, as you see, I've been whittling. This actually comes, this kit comes with this, what they call their, and it's called flatwood is what it is. And it is a highly flammable fire starter is what it is. It is also waterproof, and it's kind of, I don't know if you can just feel it. It's really kind of tacky. It's supposed to be all natural. It's just really, it's like a high resin is what it is. So as you see, I've been whittling on this thing. And we're going to see if this thing actually works. I have not actually started a fire with it or anything like that, but we're going to try it. And just to simulate, I also got some fans going in here. As you can see right here, I've got this stuff on here. I'm actually going to shave off a little bit more. I think I am. Yeah, might as well shave off a little bit more, see if we can do this. And kind of just get enough on there to see if this joker's actually going to catch fire. And I hope it is, because I don't want it to make me look bad. So we're going to do this right quick. Get this all fired up right here. Get my fire starter. And let's see what it does. Woo, y'all, I'm striking and it ain't lighting. So, let's see. Well, I've got all kinds of stuff here. Let's do this. Be right back. I just want to test something right quick. While we're ain't nothing like doing this live. Live and in charge, baby. Well, guys, I don't know what to tell you. I'm throwing sparks like I don't know what, and this will not burn. I don't know. Maybe I don't know, but it's not working for me. The spark's working fine, but the actual stuff here just ain't going. And maybe let's do this. I done some fine sawdust here. Let's see if that'll, maybe it's just too. Let's try this. Got some finer sawdust here. Maybe that'll work. Don't know. But we'll keep trying. Well, I don't know what to say. Striker works, but this other stuff don't. Oh, I almost had it. Oh. There we go. I have fire. Holy crap. So, that only took 5 minutes. And I finally got it going. And yeah, I've turned my air back on. So, 5 minutes worth. And I finally got it to catch. So, that was a long time. That was a very long time. I'm going to have to speed that up just so we can actually get it. So, yeah, it'll work. It might take a little bit, but it's actually burning. So, that's a good thing. So, let me blow this out now. I don't know if I really want to after doing all that daggone work. Dadgummit. But hey, it works. So, blow that out. Set this down here. All right, peeps. Yes. Will it work? Yes. It'll just take some time. I think if you had a lot of more dry kindling, stuff like that, it probably would have went through with no problem. Like I said, I actually put through some of that little, this little paper towel that I had that I found, kind of threw it underneath there, and that really got it going. So, but yeah, hey, this actually works, y'all. Like I said, you get one stick of this. They actually sell this by itself as well. So, yeah, here we go, y'all. Y'all can use this for hunting, backpacking, bushcrafting, all that good stuff like that. So, yeah, does it work? It works. So, hey, y'all, that's my review on this. If you are interested in this nice little starter kit, I will put the link down in my bio, or not in my bio, but maybe, but no, it'll be down in the description. And all you got to do is click on that. It'll take you straight to it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm out of it sitting here flicking, trying to get that bad boy started. But hey, you can't, if you're in a survival situation, you can't give up. You got to keep going. And as you see, I kept going and I got it going. So, but hey, y'all, this is your boy SEMO-MAC. I'm out of breath. This thing does work. I love the striker on it. Striker's awesome. And with that being said, I hope you are being kind out there in the world, and I hope you are having a great day. This is your boy SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace.